everybody, we've got our Pureguardian Spa Essential Oils Diffuser here, and I have done a really bad job at keeping it clean. So you can see here all that buildup and residue, but I've went online to research a couple of different ways to get a diffuser clean, and we're going to go through and see which way is the best. Right now we've got this white vinegar here, and we've got 70% alcohol and 50% alcohol. So we're going to go through and get this thing clean. Now, what the directions online said was to fill this up with water and then add 10 drops of white vinegar. So let's get that started. We're going to fill it up to the max line where you're supposed to fill up water to. And now we are going to add 10 drops of vinegar. Alright, I've got a syringe here with vinegar in it. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. So 10 drops of vinegar in there. Now we're going to plug it in. There we go. We're plugged in. Turn it on. Alright, we've got it turned on. You can see my little smoke coming out. And we're supposed to let this run for 3 to 5 minutes. So give it 3 to 5 minutes and we'll be right back. Alright, so the timer just went off, and now it is time to shut this off. And now we are going to pour this in the sink, empty it out. And here's the inside. Doesn't look much different, but what we're supposed to do now is take vinegar and dip a Q-tip in it and start scrubbing a little bit. So let's see if we can scrub some of that out with vinegar. And if the vinegar doesn't work, we will try the alcohol. Alright, I got my president's mug up here. We're going to put some vinegar in there and start scrubbing. We are getting some stuff out. You can see the Q-tip. I don't feel like I'm getting much out. You know what? I've got an idea. Let's try a sponge. It'll cover a little bit more area. Let's dip it in the vinegar. I'm going to go heavy duty on this thing. Phew, that smells strong. We are making some impact here. And for using a sponge, we're not getting very far. Let's just give the alcohol a chance. Alright, so here's the inside. We're still not getting anywhere. Let's get the alcohol in here. We're going to pour some of it in there. Like that. Take the other end of our sponge. Oh, we are getting somewhere, people. We are starting to get somewhere. And this is 70% alcohol. It is coming off a lot easier now. Once we got this 70% alcohol in here, it is really, really coming off. Look at this. Way, way cleaner. Now I'm going to be using the Q-tips and trying to get some of these cracks and crevices cleaned. So vinegar probably is great for, you know, getting scale and grime off some of the places, and maybe for just a general once a week cleanup, vinegar would probably work much better. But if you let yours get away like I let mine get away, this alcohol is doing the trick. Look at that! It's white again! And I probably can use a Q-tip gently down there to even clean that out a little bit better. But overall, the 70% alcohol has really done the trick. And there's that. Show you what we used. But I think that's about it. We finally got a clean inside, and I am so excited about that. I'm going to let this piece soak in alcohol even longer and get that cleaned up. And I never dreamed it would come out this clean. Super, super excited. Glad I could share this with you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments, and subscribe to my channel for lots more reviews and how-tos. Thanks, guys.